that's the Indian Ocean, that's the beach, and that's my bike for today. Something I've never heard of before, Honda Shine, SP no less. Drum brakes, front and rear, heel and toe shifter. And forks are probably about the same width as my thumb, but this little tiddly 125 certainly seems best suited for the roads around here. Well, I say roads, you know what I mean. This isn't a road! No idea if this camera setup's working fine. Didn't really test this through or think this through at home, just literally picked up a chest cam mount and came out here. All I've done is shoved a lapella mic down the front of my shirt, so hopefully it works, but we'll find out. But for the next few hours, one bike, one city. Let's go have a look around. You right?
UK van?
I'm from UK, yeah.
London?
No, near London, just off. Excellent, lovely, thank you very much. Alright, let's go to Marina Beach, the end I was recommended rather than this one. Okay, I think this is the better end of Marina Beach now. Not that I just want to dismiss the other bit, but I won't go into my thoughts about the Indian poverty. With 2 days spare in such a place, what's the fun in renting a taxi or to get around? Let's do it on your own bike. Cost of rental? About £7 for 24 hours if you want to, and a security deposit in case you do anything, £20. I've been in Chennai for about 5 days now, and since then been on the roads in cars, taxis, being driven around sort of thing. So I've had a few days to accustomise myself to the unique way the road system here works. By no means an expert, but got a few of the subtle differences out of the way. The horn, purely to say you're doing something. You're changing your line, you're going for an overtake, anything like that. Horn, horn, horn. Second thing to take note, all of these white lines don't mean nothing. Literally, more often than not in a taxi, you're straddling 2 lanes, sat on top of a white line. Right, that's going to be interesting, trying to get across this lot. Apologise now for not gesticulating correctly. I forget that the camera is not turning with my head, so yes. I think this video is going to get away quite well with being craply recorded and be absolutely fine for the entertainment value. Go on! I mean, everyone was sounding the horn, so I should give it a bit. Okay, I think I better turn back to the city soon. I feel like I'm going out of town quite far. These are all over India, on the most unexpected places. On motorways. If you hit them at speed, they will hurt. Where'd the gap? Woohoo! I've seen as well, these footbridges, they have to have steps, because when they don't, bikes ride over them. No idea where I'm going really, just playing it by ear, but I think I found the quiet area tonight. These big road barriers, they'll whack them in the middle of the motorway as well. Why not? Madness. Here we go, I think we're getting back into the madness city a bit all now. Everything's so noisy. Yep, there comes. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, yeah, down the wrong way. That's pretty normal. I've noticed as well, tacky doesn't really translate into Tamil. Beyond decoration, names of things. All the motorbikes out here are giving fantastic names. I'm on a Honda Shine. That's a Hero Splendor. The small Suzuki Nakeds are literally called Gixxers. The Honda, that's a version up from this one, is a Honda Unicorn. Well, that's a Hero Splendor Plus. Ah yes, and what we see in front there is the way for a pillion to sit on the seats here. All bikes here must be sold with a sari guard, essentially a footplate and a load of meshing to stop your sari going into the rear wheel. So you can sit both feet on the left and go along. Oh, back to off-roading. I don't think this is a one-way road, but we're taking up the whole lot. Oh, bump. Hey. Very dusty. Definitely need glasses of some description. Oh, I can see myself in the reflection of the tuk-tuk. I look awful. Normally with these sort of rental vehicles, you always think they've had a very tough life. But to be honest, I don't think this is any different to any other bike here. There's no MOT equivalent. If it turns on, off you go. Yep. engine bars. And also, say in the UK, if, I don't know, a quarter of all motorbikes have some sort of crash protection, here, it's got to be 95%. Instead of these sort of engine bars that are on here. I think they cost about a tenner. That man in front, how is his suit so pristinely white? Oh, don't look at the welding, don't look at the welding. There's our first cow up close. Certainly plenty of them about. And dogs. This bike really is tiny. I reckon I could easily ride it on the back seat. Maybe I'll try on a more open road, but that's not it, here we go. Oh yeah, just like I'm on Harley now. I wonder if you wear out levers here from having your fingers on them all the time. Another example of fine naming, the Honda Amaze. Feels like I'm in the left-hand lane, but we'll keep going this way. Tuck either slide. Sounds roady. I think the four-wheel scooter is the equivalent of a mobility scooter. From what I've seen, all the people on them are of the older generation, so what a different way of going about things. Oh, fingers off the levers for a moment. Oh, hopefully none of this rubs off when I get back to the UK. I don't think this would bode well on the Toyota on the way somewhere. Oh, back into speed bump central. Whee. Train! Real big train. It's windy. It feels so windy because the helmet has ear holes. What helmet has ear holes? That's loud. There's the rental shop. Best return it before I push my luck too far. But what a experience. Here we are. Oh dear. There we go. What an experience. Thank you, little Honda Shine. That's been me from Chennai. So, thanks very much for watching. And until next time, although probably not here, probably back to like more normal next time. There we go. Till then, adios.